Hello guys, welcome to Cybercrust YouTube channel. So guys, today we are in a new video of Nmap strategy series. So guys, in today's video, we are going to discuss about the firewalls or IDS system. Like we are going to learn different flags or different commands, like how to bypass this IDS or firewall while scanning any target. Generally, the firewalls or the IDS system, like when we are trying to scan any target, so sometimes this firewall tries to block us, or the IDS system they block our IP. So in today's video we'll learn different commands, how to bypass these firewalls, how to bypass this IDS system, and to successfully perform a scan. So guys, without wasting the time, let's dive into the computer screen and start learning this new concept. So guys, here you can see we have the complete playlist. So guys, you can check this playlist, you can save, and you can share with your friends. So guys, subscribe to Cybercrust YouTube channel. So guys, as discussed previously, like in this full series, use Kali Linux as our attacking machine and Metasploitable 2 as our victim machine. So guys, let's start up our machine and now we can start solving these exciting questions. So guys, here you can see we have the theoretical definition and here we have some of the commands. So guys, you can use these commands, like you can go through these commands to have a complete idea regarding this, how to bypass these firewalls and IDS system. And guys, here you can see we have the questions. And so guys, let's start solving these exciting questions. So guys, here we have our first question. How do you fragment your scan packets to make it harder for packet filters to resemble and analyze them? So like this questions asks us like how to fragment the, like when we are going to scan any target, we know we send some packets. So here we will use a flag that will fragment that packet into sub packets, and it will be harder for the IDS system or firewalls to resemble them and to know like who is the attacker or why he is going to perform this attack. So let's solve this question. Here I will use the command, like here we need the sudo permission. So sudo nmap -f, and guys here I will enter the target IP and give a enter. So guys, here you can see we got the result. So guys, now let's move toward the second question. So guys, here we have our second question. Like, how do you spoof your IP address to make the victim think the scan is coming from? And here we have given an IP address. So guys, here our task is to, like, we will manipulate the victim, like we will hide our original IP and will make them see like another different IP. Here I will use the command, like here also we need the sudo permission. So sudo nmap and -s. So here -s signifies a fake IP, and here we will enter the given IP. Then we'll signify any network administration. So -e, and here I will write Ethernet 0. Then we'll stop pinging the new or our original IP. So -pn, and here we will enter the target IP. So now let's give enter. So guys, here you can see this might take some time. So let's wait for the result. So guys, now let's move toward the third question. So guys, now we have our third question. Like, how can you decoy to hide your real IP address among a flood of 5 fake IP address? So here with our original IP, we are going to use a random of 5 fake IP addresses. So if the target, they will be analyzing the log files, they will see 6 different IP addresses are performing this attack. So it will be difficult for them like to analyze who is the original attacker. So guys, let's solve this question. So here I will write the command sudo nmap -d rnd and we will use 5 for 5 different random IPs. We'll enter the target IP and give enter. So guys, here you can see the result. So now let's move toward the fourth question. So guys, here we have our fourth question. Like a firewall only allows incoming traffic if it originates from port 53, that is the DNS port. So how do you force Nmap to use port 53 as its source port? So guys, like here we will manipulate the firewalls or manipulate the IDS system. Like the traffics are really coming from the port 53. But we will use some of the different ports, but we will make sure to the IDS system, like the attacker or the attacker, we are using port 53 to perform the attack or to send the packets. So here I will use the command sudo nmap, and here we will use the flag -g, and here we will specify the port, that is 53, and then we can enter the target IP and give enter. So guys, let's wait for the result. Here you can see the result. So now let's move to the final question. So guys, here we have our final question. Like, how do you append 25 bytes of random data to your sent packets to avoid detection based or standard Nmap packet size? So guys, to solve this question, here I will use a simple command like nmap -data -length, and here we will specify 25, and here we will enter the target IP. So let's give enter. So this specifies like the packets that we are sending, it's of to length of 25, and like the maximum size will be 25. So guys, here you can see the result. So guys, yes, we have solved all the 5 questions regarding this firewalls and IDS system. So guys, we have successfully completed all the 5 questions regarding the bypass of firewalls or IDS system during the Nmap scan. So guys, in the upcoming videos, in this complete series, we will learn more concepts and then we will solve more exciting questions regarding this Nmap scan. So guys, if you want any more concepts regarding any new topics, so you can pin that topic in the comment section. And guys, make sure to subscribe Cybercrust YouTube channel. Thank you.